You can expect a lot from the 2017 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 kilometers. Chrysler prioritized comfort and style by including power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.